Hello everyone, in this lesson I will show you how to create a textile motif with a smooth outline with the application of Smooth tool of Illustrator. I will open a design template containing a stylized version of a lotus flower. I will use pen tool to draw the outline of lotus flower. The pen tool found in toolbar is one of the most powerful drawing tools in Illustrator. With it, you can create and edit anchor points and paths. This tool can be used to make curved lines like this if you click and drag it. You can also just click to create anchor points and draw straight lines. To start with the pen tool, I am going to select the pen tool in the toolbar and in the properties panel, set the stroke weight to 3 or 4 points, the color to dark pink and the fill to none. Now I will switch to Smooth tool. This tool is like a boon for people who do not like to waste time and like to finish neat looking drawings with smooth edges quickly. Remember, you must see the anchor points on the lines in order to use the Smooth tool. I will click and apply the Smooth tool like a brush tool and move it over the rough edges I want to smoothen. Remember to hold your mouse down while applying the Smooth tool. I will repeat multiple times until I get the smooth result I want. I am going to design a slightly abstract version of this lotus design. You can see that I have almost completed my abstract looking design. I will now add a few more elements to it to increase its visual appeal.